Hi friends, hope you all are good. In this video we are going to see how to customize or change the properties of your mouse pointer. So for this we need to move into control panel. In my desktop you can see there is a control panel. You can go to control panel to customize it, but if you don't find control panel at the desktop, you need to search for it. You can type control panel. I have already got it, so click on the control panel. Once you are into control panel, you need to select the mouse option here. Click on the mouse option and you'll find all the mouse properties that you want to change in this window. So we have for touchpad, and then we have for buttons, we have pointers, pointer options, everything. So coming to buttons, as we have primary and second buttons as default option, but you can change as per your comfortness. Click on the switch primary. You can see here the primary button is shifted to right side. So in this way you can see switch the primary and secondary buttons. Okay, coming to double click speed, this option is helpful for new learners who are we need double click within few minutes, few seconds, I can say milliseconds, I can say. But though people who are using system for newly, they can't, they are not habituated with the mouse, so you can decrease the double click speed here, so that even within interval, if they are clicking the second click, they are able to open the folder or any option. Okay, this is the option about the buttons. And coming to pointers, you can change the pointers itself. The normal select, the default one is the pointer, which the preview is available here. You can see if you want to change it, you can click on browse and then select the pointer which you need. So I want to select something unique, so what I need to do is, you can select it from here. I have a pen here, so I want to select the pen as my mouse pointer. Click on pen, click open and apply. You see the mouse pointer is changed to a pen. If you want to change it to default, you can click on select Windows default system scheme and then click use default. Now click apply. So you can see the mouse pointer is being changed to default itself. If you have downloaded few icons or the few cursors from internet, you can place in the folders cursors and you can browse them and apply it as a cursor for your mouse pointer. This is also being done. And coming to mouse pointer options, we have other options. I'm going to show you all. Click on pointer options. We have other pointer option, that is pointer speed, which is used for or speed up the pointer moving. And even we have display pointer trails. This is used for, like, you can see the preview if you select this option, how the trailer looks like for the pointer. I have selected it. I clicked apply. I'm not sure if you are able to see because I'm in a screen recording, but you can try it in your system. So this is the preview will be in this way. Okay, if you open it, select it again and apply, then this will be hidden. Okay, and this control show location of the pointer. Okay, this option is used if you are doing some work and the pointer is being hidden, so you are unable to find the pointer. So what you need to do is press Ctrl and the pointer is showed to you with the circles. You can see here. So in this way you can see the mouse pointer also. Even we have one more option called wheel. So when you scroll with your mouse. Normally what happens, the default one is the following number of lines at a time to be scrolled is 5. So if you want to scroll more than that, you can increase the number of lines you want to scroll, or if you want to scroll one screen at a time, then you can click on scroll. This is for vertical, and for horizontal scrolling also we have here the characters at a time. Okay, this is used for scroll bar which you have in your mouse. Okay, point. I hope you all like this video, and this is all about the mouse properties. Please do like to my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.